students, welcome to the class. How are you all? Hope you are fit, fine and doing great, and I'm sure you are excited to learn with me. So, myself Divyani Shukla, your SST teacher, and today I'm going to start a new chapter, which is your chapter number 8, Mumbai, the financial capital of India. मुंबई जिसको हम बोल रहे हैं फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. Why we are saying Mumbai as a financial capital of India? Mumbai is the capital of Indian state Maharashtra. In earlier times it was also called as Bombay. और हम इसे financial capital of India क्यों कह रहे हैं? Because it supports financially, because it financially supports our country India. So let's begin with this chapter. Build up. Use the word Bombay to make words from the given letters. You have to use the word Bombay to make some words by given letters. First question, find something that explodes, which starts from B. The answer will be bomb, B-O-M-B. Likewise, you can do the remaining two. Now, moving to the chapter, Mumbai, formerly called Bombay, is the capital of Indian state Maharashtra. It is the most populous city in India, along with its neighboring urban areas, including the cities of Navi Mumbai and Thane. It forms one of the most populous urban region in the world. Mumbai, which was formerly called Bombay, and Mumbai is the capital of Indian state Maharashtra. It is most popular city in India. Along with its neighboring urban areas including cities of Navi Mumbai and Thane. नवी मुंबई और थाने के साथ मिलकर के ये एक मोस्ट पॉपुलर अर्बन रीजन बनाती है पूरे वर्ल्ड में. People from all parts of India come to work in Mumbai. Most people living in Mumbai speak their own languages. Marathi is their main languages. So people living in Marathi speak mostly speak Marathi language, and people from all over the world come in this city Mumbai for work, and they speak their own languages. Now, location. Where is Mumbai located? Mumbai is located on the western coast of India. It faces the Arabian Sea. It has the business seaport in India. Ships carrying goods come to Mumbai. They also carry many goods from our country to other countries. It has two major ports, namely Mumbai Port Trust and Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust. तो मुंबई जो है, मुंबई सिटी इज लोकेटेड, वो कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है? इंडिया के वेस्टर्न कोस्ट पे. इट फेसेस द अरेबियन सी. अरेबियन सी को फेस करती है. इसके बिजनेस सी पोर्ट है हमारे इंडिया में. शिप्स जो है यहाँ से गुड्स कैरी करती है फ्रॉम वन कंट्री टू अनदर. इसके दो मेजर पोर्ट्स है. फर्स्ट वन इज मुंबई पोर्ट ट्रस्ट एंड नेक्स्ट इज जवाहरलाल नेहरू पोर्ट ट्रस्ट. तो दीज आर द टू मेन पोर्ट्स इन सिटी मुंबई. नाउ, weather of Mumbai. The climate of Mumbai is neither too hot nor too cold. Mumbai gets heavy rain during the rainy season in June, July and August. Being a coastal area, it is quite humid during summers, and in the rainy season, winters are quite pleasant. So, climate of Mumbai is neither too hot nor too cold. यानी कि यहाँ पे pleasant climate होता है. मुंबई में heavy rainfall होती है during the months of June, July and August. It is a coastal area, so it is quite humid during summers and in the rainy season. Winters are very pleasant here. Now, government of Mumbai. The offices of Maharashtra state government are located in Mumbai. The governor, the chief minister, all ministers and government officers reside here. So जितने भी हमारे government officers हैं, chief minister, ministers, governor, वो सभी state इस city में lie करते हैं. Next, amazing places to visit in Mumbai. What are the amazing places to visit in Mumbai? First is Gateway of India. One of the most famous sites in Mumbai is the Gateway of India. It is the grand archway that looks out over the sea. It is a popular place for taking photos. So, Gateway of India is a very popular place for taking photos. ये एक grand archway है that looks out over the sea. Next is the fort. मुंबई का एक बिजी एरिया है जिसको हम फोर्ट कहते हैं. मुंबई हैज अ बिजी एरिया कॉल्ड दी फोर्ट. मेनी ऑफिसेज, बैंक्स एंड शॉप्स आर लोकेटेड हियर. इट इज़ वेरी लाइवली पार्ट ऑफ द सिटी. सो फोर्ट जो है वो सिटी का बहुत लाइवली पार्ट है क्योंकि ये एरिया हमेशा बस्लिंग रहता है बिकॉज हेयर मेनी ऑफिसेज, बैंक्स एंड शॉप्स आर लोकेटेड. नेक्स्ट इज जुहू बीच. Juhu Beach is a very beautiful and famous beach of Maharashtra. If you love the beach, you will love Juhu Beach. It's a long sandy beach where people can play, swim and relax. In Juhu Beach, people can play, swim and relax. Next is Marina Drive. What is Marina Drive? It is a beautiful road. Marina Drive is a beautiful road that runs along the coast. It's a great place to take a drive and enjoy the sea views. तो Marina Drive एक beautiful road है जो कि coast के पास located है. It's a great place to take a drive and enjoy sea views. Sea views के लिए अच्छी है. Next is Nariman Point. Nariman Point is a modern area with tall buildings and offices. It's a business hub of Mumbai. It is a modern area which has tall buildings and offices. Now, next heading, science in Mumbai. Mumbai is also home to some important science centers. कौन कौन से हैं वो centers? First is Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC. Scientists here study atomic energy for peaceful uses. So, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, in short form we call it BARC. यहाँ पे scientists atomic energy की study करते हैं. Next is TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. This is another important research center in Mumbai. So TIFR भी एक another important research center है which is located in Mumbai. Now it's the time of fact and learn. What are the three things that makes Mumbai a special city? तो ऐसी कौन सी तीन चीजें हैं जो कि मुंबई को एक स्पेशल सिटी बनाती हैं? तो what are the three things जो कि मुंबई को एक स्पेशल सिटी बनाती है? First it is financial capital. Why it is called financial capital? क्योंकि ये हमारी इंडिया को फाइनेंशियली सपोर्ट करती है. नेक्स्ट, इट इज फेमस फॉर बॉलीवुड. ऑल्सो इट इज फेमस फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट एंड इट इज फेमस फॉर गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया. Likewise, you can do the other one also. Now, other places to visit in Mumbai. What are the other places where we can visit in Mumbai? Mumbai has many other places you can visit. First is Tarapur Villa Aquarium sees lots of amazing fish. Here you can see in this aquarium, you can see lots of amazing fish. Kamla Nehru Park, a lovely park to play in. Kamla Nehru Park is a park to play. Malabar Hills, a hilly area with beautiful व्यूज. मालाबार हिल्स एक हिली एरिया है जिसमें बहुत से ब्यूटीफुल व्यूज हैं. एलिफेंटा केव्स नियर मुंबई, देयर आर केव्स कॉल्ड एलिफेंटा केव्स. दे हैव अमेजिंग स्टोन carvings that are very old. In Elephanta caves you can see the stone carvings that are very old and are very famous. SL World, a fun amusement park. तो SL World क्या है? एक amusement park. Shoe House, a quirky house shaped like a shoe. Shoe house एक type of house है जो कि shoe की shape में है. Hanging gardens built on top of hill. Hanging gardens ऐसे gardens है जो कि hill की top पे बनाए गए हैं. Prince of Wales Museum, a museum with interesting exhibits, जिसमें interesting exhibitions होती हैं. Jahangir Art Gallery, you can see beautiful artworks here. In Jahangir Art Gallery, you can see beautiful artworks. Now, what is the favorite food of Mumbai? The people of Mumbai are very fond of snacks like bhel puri and pav bhaji. Shrikhand, a sweet dish, is very popular with the people. So, Shrikhand, which is a sweet dish, is very popular in Mumbai. People also love to eat snacks like bhel puri and enjoy pav bhaji. So, these are the famous food, or we can say favorite food of Mumbai. Now, what are the festivals celebrated in Mumbai? The festival of Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated in Mumbai with great enthusiasm and participation. It is the main anniversary of Ganesha, the Hindu god of wisdom. Preparations for this festival begin month in advance. Idols of Ganesha are decorated, worshipped, and finally emerge in the sea. So the main festival celebrated in Mumbai is Ganesh Chaturthi. People celebrate it with great enthusiasm, यानी कि great excitement के साथ celebrate करते हैं. People also decorate the idols of Ganesha and people do the preparations a month before this festival, and at the last they worship Ganesha and finally immerse them in the sea. Next, transport. Mumbai has a very good transport system. People travel by buses and local trains. So मुंबई का ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम बहुत अच्छा है. People travel by buses and local trains. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport is the busiest airport in India. It links Mumbai to all other major cities in the world. So the most busiest airport in India is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, which links Mumbai to all major cities of the world. Now, let's talk about industries. A number of industries are located in Mumbai. It has many big cotton textile mills. A large number of people work in these mills. There are other major industries which produce medicines, electronic goods, and edible oils. So Mumbai is also famous for its industries. Many type of industry like cotton industry, textile industry, medicine, electronic goods, and edible oil industries are located here. A large number of people work here and earn their living. Mumbai High, which is the Arabian Sea, is one of the most important petroleum fields in India. Crude oil is taken out from here. The oil is refined and used for running vehicles and many other products. So Mumbai High, जो कि अरेबियन सी में लोकेटेड है, ये मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पेट्रोलियम फील्ड्स है इंडिया की. यहाँ पे क्रूड ऑयल निकाल के उसे रिफाइंड करा जाता है. देन इट इज यूज्ड फॉर रनिंग व्हीकल्स एंड यूज्ड इन मेनी अदर प्रोडक्ट्स. आई होप you have understood the topics which I have explained in this chapter. Moving to vocabulary, first is metropolis, a very large and busy city. Metropolis यानी कि एक बहुत ही बड़ी और busy city. Humid air that is damp and sticky. Humid यानी कि ऐसी एयर जिसमें मॉइस्चर प्रेजेंट है, जो कि स्टिकी है, चिपचिपी. आर्कवे, a curved opening in a wall. आर्कवे मीन्स एक कर्व्ड ओपनिंग है वॉल में. Exhibit things that is shown in a museum. Now let us recall what we have learned in this chapter with some summary points. Mumbai, formerly called Bombay, is the capital of Indian state of Maharashtra. People from all parts of India come to work in Mumbai and earn their living. Mumbai is located on the western coast of India. Earlier it was also called Bombay. One of the most famous sites in Mumbai is the Gateway of India, which is very popular. Mumbai has a busy area called the Fort, where many shops, offices, markets are located. Now, exercise time, think and answer. Take the correct option. Mumbai is the capital of which state? A. Goa, B. Maharashtra, or C. Gujarat. Option number B. Maharashtra. Which sea is Mumbai located on? Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, or Arabian Sea? The answer is option number C. Arabian Sea. Which of these is a famous beach in Mumbai? Marina Beach, Juhu Beach, or Kovalam Beach? What will be the correct option? Option number B. Answer will be Juhu Beach. What is the popular sweet dish in Mumbai? Shrikhand, Gulab Jamun, or Jalebi? Which is a popular sweet dish? Shrikhand is a popular sweet dish. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Mumbai is located on the dash coast of India. Mumbai is located on the western coast of India. Dash is a grand archway by the sea. Gateway of India. Gateway of India क्या है? ग्रैंड आर्कवे है, एक कर्व्ड ओपनिंग है वॉल में. जुहू बीच is a popular place to relax. Mumbai has many dash that makes different product. Mumbai has many industries that makes different kinds of products. Dash is a famous sweet dish in Mumbai, Shrikhand. Tick for the true and cross for the false statements. Mumbai is a small village. No, this is incorrect. It is a city. Marathi is the main language spoken in Mumbai. Yes, this is true. The Gateway of India looks out over the sea. Yes, this is correct. Mumbai has a very cold climate. No, it has a pleasant climate. Neither too cold nor too hot. So this is also incorrect. So thank you students. I hope you have understood it well. That's all for today. Now we'll meet in the next class. Till the time, keep learning, keep doing great. Bye-bye students.